Hey, so iOS 15 just dropped, and while it did break some hearts, here are some of the top hidden features that I've found so far. Okay, so first up is now you can delete home screen pages, not hide them, but delete them permanently. What's also cool is that you can rearrange pages directly from here. Next up, Safari got a big redesign with this new tab bar at the bottom. Yeah, and it works just like the home bar. But something really cool is this mic button you see when you open a new tab. Yeah, check this out. Amazon. It'll just open the website for you. Apple. You can just say whatever you want and it'll either open the website or Google it for you. And Siri now is a lot more intelligent and can finally understand a bit of context. Send this to Robin.
I can't share links in private browsing, but you can ask me to send this.
Send this to Robin.
Ready to send it?
In photos, you can swipe up to see way more details. Where you got it, which camera, what settings, everything. And what's even cooler is that you can adjust it right there on your iPhone. Drag and drop is now on the iPhone and it works just like on the iPad, which means you can pick anything up and then drop it wherever you want. But not everything is totally new in iOS 15. The magnifying glass is back, and although it's a little different and appears only when you're making fine adjustments, the dial picker is also back and it's now the default. You can still type in numbers by tapping the date. Notifications have a new look, but you also get additional options when you engage with one. There's more options to mute notifications from an app for like just an hour or the day. Okay, Apple now has built its own version of Google Lens and it works really well and really fast. You can insert text anywhere from the camera. It opens in line and works in real time and updates what it's picking up inside the document. Like even I can't see what's written there. That is seriously impressive and it's everywhere. In Photos, Safari, translation now happens in a pop-up. It's crazy. Weather app is also redesigned and now has these more realistic animations based on what's actually happening outside. But you can dig into this menu to enable notifications to alert you when something's about to go down, and you can actually send a report if it's incorrect in your area. In settings, accessibility, audio-visual, you have background sounds, which can help minimize distractions and help you focus, relax, or sleep. It basically plays white noise, which you can choose from 6 different ones. It plays over and above the system sounds and keeps on playing even when you turn the screen off. There's literally no way to stop it unless you go back to settings. And the final feature is now even if your iPhone is switched off, it'll still be visible to other devices in the Find My network. So no matter what, you're going to get your iPhone back if it ever gets lost somehow.